number of people go link with the same entity. For whatever reason, and all them are do a cuss Yaksta. I think them are cuss Yaksta because they want Yaksta for shut up.
Them want to reach out to me and say, yo, them have a thing where them want to go beat a bingy and sing with them. Isn't it? I'm Mr. Fine, I don't know a Rasta thing, I don't know upon a Rasta ground.
Yeah.
I wish I give a fuck on social media rather than jump chat. Because I never move on the high school speed thing, you know. Because when the people are banned, if they get banned for choke, I'm for research, I know me I do. I know me I do. Yeah. People like go for know them thing there.
Welcome, my beautiful people. Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, you know. I have to big up all who give thanks to life, all who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video, and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. Right now, my people, we have Yaksta. Yaksta forward out on Foota Hype Live, and them clear the whole reason why he was seen at Bob Marley Museum with Speed. Now him did step out a couple weeks ago, my people, and burn a fire. But it look like at the same fire I'm dropping on my people. Because the ones and ones them I say, oh, Speed them a big sprat over foreign. Now my people, I could take a look, I could take a listen and see what I go on. But before that, I have to drop in my 2 cents. Because Foota Hype, big up to Foota Hype. Foota Hype I try help a cause. But when I help a cause, when the man up on the bumbo clot live, in a dressing gown with them chest out. All kind of thing that. Not even if I say I have a decency to put on a shirt before I go up on the live. And I try help a cause. Big up to Yaksta. But all Yaksta ain't for up on the live for about an hour. I chat to the bumbo clot man and even say fee 5-4 the countryman say put on clothes. Yo, my people, that's why I say, yo, we can't too get influenced by people, you know. From Bob Marley days, we can't get no influence by no boy or no woman boy, you know. Them the days that done, my people. Look all Popcorn. Popcorn lay down the laws of the land. Make Speed know one of the most powerfulest commandments where we stand by. No sticking out of the tongue and no sitting in a nobody lap. Not even your girl. And seconds after the man said that, him introduced Speed to some guy who come in front of the man a barking at the 2 man them face. And stand up there and watch the man them. And even say, no. They killing them not depend that now.
On the island, you have to do the right thing.
Have to what?
You have to do the right thing on the island. No tongue out.
No tongue out?
No sitting in laps.
No sitting in laps?
None of that. Burn off all of that.
A few moments later.
Earn Patwado.
Yo, well, Lindsay that.
Who is this?
This is Lindsay. He's challenging you, but I don't bark. He bark.
You understand my people? So how we get influenced by somebody who says something and then. You understand me? So right now my people, we just keep it musically. We just rate these people for them craft. We not take no influence from none of them people, yeah. Big woman thing. So you may ask my people. I could watch a video, I could listen to a video and let me know what you think in the comment section. But
because me just said this before we make a talk. Because we fully end our straightness. We see a number of artists, a number of public figures, a number of people go link with the same entity. See? For whatever reason. And all them are do a cuss Yaksta. I think them are cuss Yaksta because they want Yaksta to shut up. They want to say Yaksta, I want your race, so stop that.
Foota, remember this thing. 1, he's a farmer. 2, he's a businessman. 3, I don't need music money.
Yeah.
Look at that clip out of it. 4, I'm sing for cloud. I the simple thing, I can't tell the straight. I just there and Sharon reach out to me and say, yo, them have a thing where they want to go beat a bingy and sing with them. Isn't it? I'm Mr. Fine, I don't know a Rasta thing, I don't know upon a Rasta ground.
Yeah. Which right kid?
Bob Marley Museum go man. Is it me?
Oh.
You get him say. But me tell you straight man, Batman and Saddam man forget Bam man. If I show speed shake him and I see him flames and give me king man. You hear that? And a matter of fact, if, because them send me some upper video with them, they definitely know something I give a fuck in a full time. They matter about my anger, they know I'm angry. Because the man brother, enough time see them try ramp with me now. Because I remember this in a full time, and I had age of certain things in the youth. Me grow with my mother grow me militant. My mother gangster in a full time. Real blood clot gangster. Me tell you straight. One time, I'm telling you, motherfucker, when I look at you with them, because they give me one blood clot, Clark Dally, I'm doing like, go there play with it now. But you don't know, I never Power Ranger, I never forgot brother. My mother walk over to me and say, if I never see you the next day, boy, I broke it to one name. And although I never said that to man, and I tie. I know me a big man, mother turn to me and tell me, say, them day, our people do, and train me from the young for fuck batty. I never forgot that in my life, footer. I tell you this now, fam. Enough things, when I walk in that game, there's precedence and how we game structure. Because we never move on the high school speed thing, you know. Because when the people are banned, if we get banned for choke, I'm for research, I know me I do. I know me I do. Yeah. People like go for know them thing there. And I know me come learn too. And everybody lacks is Rasta. Yeah. And for them man has the fucking cloud. Remember, I do 1,000,000 songs over the years, you know. And them sensite. Them keep it silent. And then they make a task and go fall in line. And wait my turn. For time, I've been at my thing, you know. Enough time, them pussy come all Europe, you know. Send all the guys up and they can't afford a tour bus, you know. I put them by mine, you know. Because enough of them broke like Buckley, you know. And they style enough style up and push up themselves and take picture and pasteurize. It's my page, chaka. Me not give a fuck about social media or anything there. If I never be a madam and then a posting thing, you know that to footer. Me not be about stealing and them fuck with it. Because I say, them thing that man go fuck back and lose their morals because they want to be up on top of the game. I mean, I pick up nothing now. I mean, it's an education and a tertiary context to make it seems feasible to people. Brother, no fuck you, man, I'm in that game. And when them do know them do something and hide the hands. They come out, come say it publicly, them say, yeah, I guess I'm a bad man. Bad man is a bumble, 4 times I want you. When I come in that game, broke in a charge. Alright, who said something? Bumble class and use music money and come and listen. And I'm going to come and talk about it. Them who don't want to fight, you have 7 and about Batman. Batman and said, I forget, bam, move on the pussy and go. I mean, I stop saying so. Come on.
Let me say something to you, youngster. Well, the damage is done, you know. But my question me want to ask you.
Yeah.
You did see the video them with iShow Speed and all of them thing the way my kiss off a man and them thing there before you go there?
No, man, Chunky send them thing, man. Yesterday morning, Chunky send them. Chunky 4-star, man. I know Chunky 4-star from Cassava Peace. I didn't say anything I say.
So basically, you say you don't know who Speed was then?
No, because I say, yo, brother, them are doing live stream and they want me to come perform. I perform, I'm going to perform. They have a DJ, Chunky, then they don't know them. What are they them? I was saying, I'm not sure you, or fuck up them thing a bit. All people really and truly rate Rasta. Just look how them do the Rasta section opposed to every other thing. Because I tell you, I watch everything this morning now. Because one thing with me, I'm going to tell them I'm praying now. For sure that them only use the name of Rasta just for their commercial purposes. Because I remember now, it come from the ministry, come down to my management, to me. So all them do them say, if you pass X amount of time, I go there and I say, you know, say, them never did that. I say, oh, mama, I know I'm not driving thing, you know. Is it me? Because really and truly, I'm not even interested to forward by that morning. Is it me? When I go to the thing done for me, the rest of them will have vibration. If you realize it, when the man them walk in, you know, no, I'm not prepared, you know. I did a dance, I Gabby Dan come in and start doing the thing and I just give me say no. I when I come out, my son link me and say, Daddy, he ain't up on the stream. I say, no, man, I shoot a video. I hurt me there, so I hurt. When them call me, they send me some more thing and I say, no, you're there, so. But I got to put it there one. But more is a platform before I forgot, because I tell you, Mother's Day, man, I spend some time with my mom and my mother. It's a bongo jongo. I have an excuse ever sitting in car, go suck out to the mother. When you can't mix me with enough of my body, man, I licky pussy. And if I want to know one style me, a venom, near more to the mama thinking pussy, don't ramp with me for Mother's Day. My sincere apologies to all the other mothers that want to watch me. I don't want me at all, but I'm like a batty boy. We feel like every time man come out and burn batty man, me see on jump up and man a fuck on, I know. I'm telling you this straight. Blood clot man, fear like man for go work and dig ground and plow. And that beg, when beg too much, go suck out on the mama pussy. I'm sure never this on the mother, go suck out on the man. We take back the mother part, because the mother blood clot go to man. Mother is life, go suck out on the man, because I'm a batty man youth. I mean, I want a boy can tell me what to say. When time man not comes home and burn the fire and I continue on the talk, say man not burn the fire, and take side of the batty man. No pick on the side pussy, can I pick mine. And I say straight. Blood clot man, fear clot man. And enough of them Rasta to you see him when them love fucking clout. So they will call man for anything. So you see, it's right now people have burn up me for 2 for time. Come to research. It think man for burn me, then for burn up the pussy hole.
You didn't know, say, them call the next Rasta Zine. We not call the Rasta name because he's not involved in our life right now. Them call the Rasta and say, yo, we want to bring the youth here up at your place. But the Rasta team already know who him is. So them said to the Rasta, no, don't make him come up here. Them offer the Rasta piece of money. And the Rasta, yo, me don't want no money. Me don't want team. Me don't want have that energy there. So what them do now, I gravitate to you, you know. Because here them do know, the Rasta there's a fire burning in the Rasta, you know. See? So what them do know, them got to go and say, him know where I go on. They could try off a youngster. Remember, you know, people are about me don't know nothing about high show speed, you know. All I know is I see one time a World Cup, and I say, how this? When do? Nothing him not do. So I say, I don't want to see him. You see all of them video there, but him a kiss man, me not see them till yesterday. Even when we do the first live about him. Me never see them, you know.
So them wait till me come and pan it now for black.
Yes, so them use you now.
Hey, what you know? At that moment, them do, man, because I know I'm more pamper on the pussy. I'm telling you straight, I can't keep on the career, pussy. As long as me have my land, I can't farm, pan, you know. I'm telling you straight for time. When them boy I know, you know, I simple thing in life, I'm a blessing for that. Here, watch this. I come in a game as a businessman, I'm going to exit as a businessman. My mom is squander mine. I want girl to give me money. A matter of fact, service is the girl. One woman me give me money, I'm empress. I'm an empress. So I spend time, nobody never have my back. My empress ride with me through everything. So anything me give me girl. I'm going to buy my girl everything. I'm big up to the woman them who ride with them man through thin and thin. I'm big up to the man them who hold on them blood clot woman through thin and thin and thin. Straight. I'm big up to the mother for Mother's Day. But you see them look sodomite for time, I tell you straight. You see if when it comes to woman talk up, reggae music get fucked. Because they pacify the message in every way. They back everything in every way. Then them sodomite and I come on TV and talk about the Batman them on TV, you know. But them praising them. But them partial with them fire. Because when you're a rich Batman, you don't get burned, you know. But when you're poor, them run down and kill a blood clot. Like I see.
So what your opinion about high show speed and all? Like him, what you think about him?
I love Footer. I want pure. It's just them set up my thing. From one side, enemy I state, enemy I ask, enemy I safari, a blood clot, enemy see more than I want.
Yeah, man, a fire, man.
Me don't want to rust the blood clot to keep nothing. Because what is now? They will fight, you know. When they're silent, and they will fight when they're loud. Fight when they're loud and pussy, I'm a warrior. Me now back down from now and they know to.
Straight.
Footer, ready for them.
Straight.
Me don't want them rusty, when them can ramp with you know. Because I remember the foot and I rough you in real life. And them pussy are not, they don't ramp with me. As quiet as me be, and as lovely as me be, and as loving as me be. If I want to cook and go like you want to style me thing, and they know why me are at to. I'm not to tell them, pussy, free gate and bread for float and allow you them. I'm batty boy, and I can't batty up my thing. Because I remember a woman I love, and a woman I love. Me say, I look mad, and chaka. Me can't dress, and me can't put myself together a blood clot, and be a man another day. Because I'm not tell you for that, I'm not a bossy boy, I'm a blood clot man in the bush. Anything you put on, color the business. So you can't use them thing, you can't use vanity and comes up like on one style me. I only can't use a Batman platform and style me like that, because I talk my mind pan the Batman platform and see something with that sing. No make a lion roar. And that me go there for sing. And then cut it before me comes home and bam the other one. And bam up them white Jesus.
So you understand, sir. I set them set you up you.
Yeah man, me see it now. But me say me if you know, it that for reach me because me if you know on every platform for go pan. Fuck me. You know what I said for go. Me don't want people to ban me.
Because you them want use it now. They want to use it as a leather shut up, you know.
God, when the crowd fight me and the tone despise me. The lion roar inside me. That are the fight we like. Footer. I just want to find my mind. They can't talk Bushman. Remember me a songwriter for enough of them too. Then if you talk them thing there. Footer to me like you fame, bro. Because I've seen what it has done to many people. I've seen people enter the game pure. And because of little fame and likes, they lost their way, bro. Made up on the training. More if I grow me with them with love, because I ain't grown much. Because all the growing was fucking misery. You see what I say? I'm going in a game and see the game and feel it was a place where all love is and everybody and Rasta and them full of love. I never know that's how Rasta eat. Brother, all the dancers man they show love. More than the rest of them. And so-called Rasta. It's a prison. Remember Rasta supposed to be people who integrate and move forward. Because they're supposed to overstand a certain type of tranquility, a certain type of essence, a certain type of energy. Because they are pointed to a man to Rastafari, I know, is when you find your true self, you know. Remember, there's a whole different doctrine and twist up it, that twist up the actual message and the word in it, Footer. I'm going to learn them a thing later, you know. But I never thought more than living in a time when people look for Rasta and say, pussy or Rasta. or Batty Boy Rasta, or Niam Front Rasta, one thing Rasta thing reach this stuff. Because them integrated any and everybody. Certain frequencies should not be allowed to be around certain frequencies for long. We never say they now coexist for that. We don't know that the media run by Batman and Sodomite. They are there. They have their own term and them terminologies and their own blood-clad world and factory. But if you give them consciousness to run and them unconscious, remember, sometimes them people are change them gender and then eventually kill themselves because they nobody like themselves. People prefer to talk the truth than for type. As long as the truth is real and raw, you're fucking hated. But when you pacify it, you're loved. Fuck, I don't love them. Nobody love me. Me be villain. Because as long as me can save my life, I do it. Anything no one come for type, I really take it, Kill me, carry everything, pussy, but when you can't tap me though. I remember Jamie I fight for two. And for time, I can't tell this, bro. It's bigger than me. I'm looking at the AI, because I'm look on the screen. I'm looking at the camera, I'm looking at the AI.
Yeah.
Warrior, I'm tell you straight, King. Remember 2 years ago, you tell me, say, Asta, you have the good music, but something Mr. Fry, And we know it's because you don't be yourself. I real talk you make. Because you say the time there, I follow laws.
Yeah.
And now them self a bumbo clot. I want them to put you in line and then punk you. Some of them girls, before the girl them bust them, have so piles of cocky and take piles of wood. Like on a talent, push you through the game. You turn them in a whore by the time, so when they reach in a game, they feel so fucked out and fuck out, them sing the orange song. Because them lost them actual true essence.
True.
Some of them youth with anything at all and fuck any amount of batty foot hype and real talk, but tired of it youth. Because enough of them boy are compared man and them a batty man and they know. And then when time comes to boom and them and tour come to bump, they will look on you and say they're part batty man too, say you're batty man too. And enough of them think they reach me out. Because you link up with anybody and they know who you link up with.
That's what I try to explain to the rest of them. Say association can destroy the mission. When you see someone do something, you have to cut them off, bro.
Yo, youth, more time I was there in the game, I'm going to see the blood clot through essence side, youth. I mean, I say, it's a big man thing. I never saw them earlier do it before we. Them earlier, you can't see them have somewhat of love, bro. Foot high, the game is full of hate, you fuck. I don't pretend to nobody. I don't do this for a career. Guys, anybody do things for career, man, you grow on your rear for your car.
Yeah, man, then if you put the accolades, the Grammys, the mobile, the platinum plaque, and them they're the front of your mind, you don't care about humanity, you don't care about life, you don't care about women and children, you don't care about none of that. If you put the accolades in at the front of your mind, you lose the way of the mission. Because if a Rasta don't have a Lamborghini, he's not supposed to feel no way. If a Rasta have a Rose Right and Jay-Z have a Rose Right, you're not supposed to live to try and achieve the Rose Rights to compete with Jay-Z. Because you have to go do what Jay-Z them do to beat them.
You see, I'm show you an psychological warfare, man. Black people have the most powerful frequency because of the chromosome texture and the Kundalini energy aligned with our first vessel. We are carbonated beings. Therefore, everything that
you have to look like and liquor your credit.
No, man. I'm not credit, man. Phone, look up straight, man. I'm going to post over.
A straight nation.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but that. I want to say that for that. I'm share something. We'll go back to this before we go to the next part. Them target Jamaica in such a way. Because, bro, alright. It's when everything come out. Because I'm a boy, I'm not really attack him. I watch him read first. Because I'm a man love read. I make sure, when the man is saying everything, I make sure I take the whole day and read everything from them biography thing, biopic to now. I'm say, alright. It's when I perform on anything there. The cancer of the youth lost, his soul is so. Bro, in frequency not even dead king. I said, genuine.
Oh.
The performer youth. The streamer youth.
Oh, you don't even know his name. His name, I should speak.
Yeah.
If you notice how he move, you see him under drugs. I don't know if nobody not see him under drugs.
Now watch this. As a black youth, if you who them use for the destructive things, it's always we. I'm going to share something. I have top man I was saying, she free thousands of slaves, and she could have 3,000 more.
More if them didn't know. Yeah.
More time I say something, sometimes I look at my mother and I say, Jano, my mother. You know, your mother and I can see the little girl in them same way. But you just know them locked in our trance and can't see beyond the prison there. Fam, You see the difference with me now? He yaksa back then and yaksa now. When I came in, I wanted to do this music and I'm sensei. You see ambition and the right version I get now. I just treat them bad. Cause some bad word in I too. But them pacify all like I'm bro, I say, yo, I'm not doing no more music if I can't be myself, you know. Because I'm like everything I want to put on and true. When you get a big contract on that time, I'm turn it down. Because I not put on no jet spend no money. Only now they emasculate me for no money. My son will look at me and say, I'm a father, I'm a hero. It must be blood clot mad. Enough little thing for type you have to know youth. And everything good or smell good if you name. Because some might have poison. I have enough of them youth they now want no solid neither. Any fucking platform you can get to tear down a man, them do it. Anytime. Me see more envy now than 2 months ago. Because some people can't fathom, oh, you get this and go back yourself and come back up yourself and go back yourself. Come on and do it for fucking clout. Not the music itself. Me's a boy was sitting and wait for type. Me know who open up and cancel like me to them. I know them thing there. But I suck to use and kill bad mind people for that. And when they can't tap it, them I go to everything. If you listen to it, them will come at me and fuck. But I'm ready for them bumper blood clot, you don't know. It's just like get my arm up, man. Because Jamaica have to restore back the energy. You never want me going to real people, I say, man, reggae music is nice, but Jamaica ain't burning no fire. Everywhere I go in real people say that to me. That's why this time him walk inside my shoes to me, they go on so good.
So may I say something to you now, youngster?
Yeah.
You know, say from this day forward, you have to start now, say, and everybody in and around your team care about you.
I know that, man.
Can't hear you now. I'm not try to fight nobody thing. I'm not try to disrupt nothing. But if them know say there's a man to follow up internet, you know your bush or their thing, better me never know about the things that my iShowSpeed are going out. That means a social media giant. So you as a bushman worse. Cause big man thing, until him go to look at Caribbean and I say to look at him, I say, oh, him do that. Me never know say him have video before where him have looking at man eye and I say him gay and the man I say him gay. Me never know that. So you worse off of the grid than me. Me see them a blame Beenie Man again. Beenie Man worse off of the grid. Beenie Man they have a phone. You understand what I say? So if somebody not gonna tell Beenie something, I show Beenie something, he not gonna know. Me live on social media and me never know them something about him.
But that man tell us I write in the people, man, because I said in a bun blood clot, me never know. At that moment and do. So me can't know. Because my man is out. You me tell the straight. Say for the last 2 years, from when I was in 2021 to now, the game has changed vast, you know, really, you know, bro. A whole heap of new things coming in. You have a different game with the youth in right now. When I see my son them play one different thing for streaming and one different thing for our next thing, you know. So I understand say, yeah, I have to remember this for time. The animal in the park is step over. And this is how I come learn about music too. It's when time downtown Satala, it is not valid. But one time any uptown people or any people in precedence who have money says it, everyone should just follow because the power of money make anybody conform, or the power of money get up, but suck out no matter on the law, and I record none of the pussy one. I record my law, and I want miss it. I act how I want to act. Me born in a blood clot late 90s. You see what I say? I act like my generation. That's why a man like Uno don't call me and comes and drop a bomb and say, hey, Bush, like the fuck up, I want him. I want me rate or no? I want me rate. I rate the people who comes over and call me. But when a man like you want to make me for views, go suck up your mother, man. And I put me pussy with this up. And the next boy come to me DM and come talk. See me in real life and confront me, chop up your blood clot.
I don't mean a lie. Someone come like kill a DM man, oh, you're going to get it.
I'm still not bad man, stop coming to me DM and come.
Come page and them something. And
it must be like every man a pussy when I heard. But it's not every man a punk. You realize I'm a man a fuck around people. Enough things me can come contact with. Enough things me know. I just love something because I want to mix up. Man a man feel like man. But
that's youngster. Zine, I'm fully support the new energy and the new youngster.
Yeah.
Me endorse you. Yeah, my brother, everything.